What's the meaning of alderman? Alderman. 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 Alderman.
An alderman is an elected member of a municipal legislative body in many jurisdictions. Typically, they serve as representatives of a ward or district within a city council, and are responsible for making decisions about local policies and regulations. Aldermen may also be responsible for budgetary oversight, land use planning, and other community development issues. In some jurisdictions, the term alderman has been replaced with gender-neutral alternatives such as city council member or councillor. Overall, aldermen play an important role in shaping the governance and development of urban areas.